What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. Feel at home, enjoy your stay. To all my channel members and all my supporters, a big thank you to you. As you can see by the title, I am making lemon pepper tuna fish salad. Come along with me, let I show you how I make this Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style.
Them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So here I have 2 packs of lemon pepper tuna fish, and I'm just emptying it out into a container, after which I will drain off the excess water that's on it. I'm using the one in water, so this one is in lemon pepper. Okay, and here I have my onion, bell pepper, and tomato already prepped. And here I have some lemon pepper seasoning. I have black pepper, mayonnaise, and parsley. I'm adding the lemon pepper to the tuna fish, followed by some black pepper, now I'm adding the parsley flakes, some crushed pepper, I'm adding the onions and the bell pepper, followed by the tomato. Now I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. So I'm just gonna mix this in a little. And make sure all the tuna fish get the mayonnaise. I'm adding some more black pepper to that. This is gonna be spicy and nice. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button and put that post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. Here I have some kale. I have a kale bed along with tomato and bell pepper. And this is what I'll be serving with my tuna fish salad. So I'm making a plate here. And there you have it. I'm adding some paprika to the top. And there you have it, my lovely people. My tuna fish salad served with kale, and tomato, and bell pepper. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Just go ahead, man. Do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good. Most of all, pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more delicious recipe.